This is how you make a bed in an RV.
There's an art form to this. You gotta crawl on top of it first.
You gotta crawl all the way up there.
Yeah.
Get it under the mattress. This awesome memory foam mattress.
You gotta get
Love
off.
it. Get off.
And we gotta switch sides.
Okay, switch sides.
It's a whole.
This is like a 10-minute long process.
This does not come with instructions. You gotta pull this part up here. That's always fun. Of course, I get stuck doing this because
I can't do
I don't
it.
want the muscles.
Uh-huh. Get on there,
Get
Pete.
down there
Get in that corner.
and drop it down.
Pull it, pull it, pull it.
Gotta get it on. There you go. Drop it down and somehow try to get the rest of it on.
Well, you're doing that corner, and then you're gonna have to do this corner, because look at this. Oh,
Oh,
man.
yeah.
I'm not strong enough for that.
You gotta switch sides again. Because I gotta do all the work. Yeah.
There we go.
Use your. Yeah, I just stuck it. There we go. Boom. Got
Yay!
the sheet on.
The fitted sheet is on.
And the
Woohoo!
rest of it,
The rest of it's easy.
you're just winging it.
Not the way I like to make a bed.
Yeah.
That's okay. Only sleeping in it, getting it
These
missing.
are the struggles we have.
Struggle is real. Flat sheets on. Next is the fuzzy blanket. Get it up there.
Pretty much like.
Get it up there all the way.
Just try to get lucky.
Get that blanket up there.
This will never pass inspection in Marine Corps, but who gives a shit?
Alright, next blanket. Let me go get it. Alright, this blanket is super heavy, but it's awesome and it's warm. And it's definitely a pain in the arse. Trying to get this one on there.
Oh yeah.
That one's just heavy. There you go.
Most people would have gave up by now.
Looking good though.
America.
God bless America.
There we go. That's beautiful. All right.
Alright, pillows. Hey. That is tiny house living right there in effect.
Only took about 2 hours, but we got it done.
No! Like 10 minutes.
Beautiful thing.
Clean sheets for another week. Yay.
Get it there.